Is it time to buy or sell Supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 25th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Supermicrocomputer as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.76. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 56.17% since we first recommended purchasing Supermicrocomputer 15 days ago. This results in an average return of 3.74% per day since it was categorized as hold accumulate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 14.78% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 27.31% to positive 53.19%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 57.78%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could range from negative 100% to negative 45.34% over the next year. This would translate the future price to be somewhere between $0 and $24.89. Our latest daily update for Supermicrocomputer includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Supermicrocomputer Stock Price on Tuesday moving between $44.02 and $50.67. The Supermicrocomputer stock price fell by 11.69% on the last day, Tuesday, the 25th of February, 2025, from $51.57 to $45.54. It has now fallen for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 15.11%, with a day low of $44.02 and a day high of $50.67. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, but remains up by 6.78% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 34 million shares, although this was accompanied by falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 117 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $5.34 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $122.90, while the lowest was $17.25. Currently, the price is 62.95% or $77.36, below the 52-week high of $122.90, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Supermicrocomputer, trading under the ticker SMCI, has made significant moves today by submitting its overdue financial filings just ahead of the Nasdaq deadline. This has sparked a surge in its shares during late trading after a prior drop in regular hours. This timely filing was crucial to avoid delisting from the Nasdaq, a concern raised earlier when shares fell sharply, even dropping nearly 10% as the deadline loomed. Investors had been anxious as the company faced challenges, including a substantial 55% decline from its all-time highs. The filing signals a potential stabilization and recovery for Supermicro, which could restore investor confidence in the short term and lead to increased buying pressure. The stock's reactions today demonstrate a classic pattern of volatility common with companies facing regulatory deadlines. In the long term, successfully navigating these financial disclosures could mark a pivotal turning point for the company, potentially leading to a rebound in investor sentiment and share prices. Continued strong performance could also facilitate further investor interest, particularly if the company can showcase improved financial health and strategic growth in the server market. This combination of immediate relief and long-term prospects may position SMCI favorably as it aims to regain lost ground in the competitive artificial intelligence and server sectors. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, February 18, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a hold rating with a hold action. On the same day, Loop Capital Markets rated SMCI as a buy with a hold action. On Wednesday, February 12, 2025, Wedbush reported a neutral rating for SMCI, also with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 6, 2024, Needham assigned SMCI a mixed rating with a hold action. On the same date, Citigroup rated SMCI as reduce with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Supermicrocomputer stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Supermicrocomputer. The Supermicrocomputer stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is also a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, providing a positive forecast. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $53.78. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $37.08. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, there's a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 19, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 24.41%. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. It would be prudent to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 14 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 6 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicrocomputer. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $42.21. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Supermicrocomputer finds support just below today's level at $42. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $40.21 and $39.68. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $6.65 between its high and low, representing a movement of 15.11%. Over the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 14.89%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Supermicrocomputer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 28th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 75.2 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicrocomputer. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicrocomputer is at $47.91. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be exceeded before making a purchase. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer encounters its first support level at $42. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Chung Kenneth, who bought and sold 6,165 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 17.073. Overall, insiders purchased 3,708,835 shares and sold 5,298,326 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $43.41, reflecting a decrease of 4.68%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 4 days prior. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer exhibits several promising indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may either hold their positions or accumulate more shares while awaiting further developments. In analyzing the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 26th of February, we anticipate Supermicrocomputer will open at $1.20 and begin trading at $46.74. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.